Well done, Year 1. You did a fantastic job with your sentence writing about your settings and the planets that you created. Now, today we're going to think about the end of the story, the part of the story where the boy and the Martian go back to their home planets. What could they do to stay in contact with each other? How could they communicate with one another without being near each other? This is something we've had to do lots and lots in this recent time away from school. How can we stay in contact with our friends if we can't be near them? Pause the video and have a talk to your grown-up about all the different things that we could do. Now you've had a chance to think about that, we're going to focus on one particular way of communicating with other people that aren't near us, and that's by writing a postcard. Does anybody know what a postcard is? Talk to your grown-up about what you think it might be. Now, a postcard is a bit like a letter that we send when we're on holiday or that when we're far away from our friends or family. Have a look at some of these pictures of different postcards that I have. So my first example of a postcard is from Anna, written to Tom about her holiday. Now you can see that on the left there is a space to write about all the things she has been doing, and on the right it's where we write the address of where we need to send the postcard. There's also a space for a stamp, and on the front of the postcard we would draw a picture of where we are. You will notice in this example that the writer Eve has asked Pete some questions, and she has used some question marks to show that. When we write postcards, it's all about telling the person receiving it what we've been doing. In this example, Lucy is telling her grandma what she did on her holiday in London. Go back and look at all the different examples and see how they start and end their postcard. So today you are going to pretend that you are the alien, the Martian in the story, and you are going to write a postcard from your home planet back to the boy on Earth. Now remember, we're writing as if we are the alien, so you could include information about what games you like to play, whether you go to school, what things you do with your family. You could even ask the boy a question about his life on his home planet Earth. There are lots of different things we can include. Now don't forget to think carefully about the punctuation you are choosing at the end of your sentence. Are you choosing an exclamation mark because it's exciting? A question mark if you're asking a question? Those are the things to think about. This is the last piece of writing we're going to be doing before our half-term holiday, so I want you to think really carefully about your handwriting and using those Fred fingers for your spelling. I can't wait to see your creative ideas. Use the template that's provided for you, and on the back you can draw a picture of the alien getting up to one of his adventures. Have fun with writing your postcard, and I will see you very soon.